Hello viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are planning to reduce your weight, then today's video is exclusively for you, as we are going to disclose 5 most effective smoothies and their recipes for weight loss. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The best way to slim down, without missing out on the proper nutrients, is by focusing on your diet. A great addition to your diet plans is fresh homemade smoothies. So let's start our video. Our first smoothie to reduce weight is Evergreen Smoothie. First, note down the ingredients of Evergreen Smoothie. 1 cup of baby spinach. 2 bottle gourd, cucumber, 1/2 cup. 3 curd, 1/2 cup. 4 mint leaves, a handful. 5 rock salt, a pinch. 6 cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon. 7 a piece of amla, that is Indian gooseberry, or you can add lemon juice, 1/2 tablespoon. Let's have a look at method of Evergreen Smoothie. For making Evergreen Smoothie, you have to place all the ingredients in a blender, toss in the ice cubes and blend till smooth. Best time to have it is in the morning, to detox your body. Bottle gourd and cucumber are extremely low in calories and aid in weight loss. Calorie count of this smoothie is 95. Our number 2 smoothie is Nutty Delight Smoothie. Note its ingredients, which include 1 puffed amaranth or rajgira, 1/2 cup. Use a rajgira laddu if puffs aren't available. 2 low-fat milk, 1 cup. 3 banana, frozen, 1/2. 4 date, 1 chopped. 5 flax seeds, 1 tablespoon. 6 chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. 7 melon seeds, 1 tablespoon. For making Nutty Delight Smoothie, you have to blend all the ingredients till smooth and enjoy it as it is. The best time to have it is post-workout, as it's a good dose of protein. This smoothie is high in omega-3 acids, good fats and fiber. It also keeps you fuller for longer. You can also add a scoop of protein powder for an extra energy boost. Nutty Delight Smoothie contains 295 calories. Our smoothie number 3 is Golden Glow Smoothie. Note down the ingredients of this effective smoothie. 1 carrot, grated, 1. 2 orange or mosambi juice, freshly squeezed with pulp, 1 cup. 3 papaya, 1/2 cup. 4 turmeric powder or grated fresh haldi, 1/2 tablespoon. 5 ginger, grated, 1/2 tablespoon. Let's discuss its method. You have to blend all ingredients and grind till smooth. The best time to have it is during the day. Papaya and carrots have a significant amount of fiber and are relatively low in calories. Calorie count of this smoothie is 175. Today's smoothie number 4 is Chai Spice Smoothie. Note down its ingredients. 1 apple, chopped, 1. 2 banana, frozen, 1/2. 3 oats, 1 tablespoon. 4 walnut halves, 3. 5 almond or low-fat milk, 1 cup. 6 chai masala, 1 tablespoon. 7 cardamom powder, a pinch. For making this smoothie, you have to blend all ingredients till smooth and enjoy this aromatic smoothie. The best time to have it is morning to feel fresh and energetic. Banana and oats not only keep you satiated but bring your digestive system on track. Calorie count of this smoothie is 265. Number 5 smoothie. Refreshing Smoothie. Note the ingredients of this smoothie. 1 cucumber chopped, 1. 2 kiwi, chopped, 1. 3 green apple, chopped, 1. 4 coconut water, 1 cup. 5 lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon. 6 mint leaves, a few. 7 chia seeds, 1 teaspoon. 8 ice cubes, 1 cup. Let's discuss the method of this smoothie. You have to blend all the ingredients except chia seeds until smooth. Top up this glass of goodness with a dash of chia seeds for that extra crunch. The best time to have it is evening to feel refreshed. The cucumber helps remove toxins, which sets your body up for weight loss. Calorie count of this smoothie is 175. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. and subscribe to our YouTube channel.